Detailed Case Summary. Mapp v. Ohio is a landmark United States Supreme Court case that established the exclusionary rule, which prohibits the use of illegally obtained evidence in criminal trials. The decision significantly impacted law enforcement procedures and the rights of individuals under the Fourth Amendment. Background facts. Claimant, petitioner. Dory Mapp, defendant, respondent. State of Ohio. Facts of the case. Incident. On May 23, 1957, Cleveland police officers received a tip that a suspect in a bombing case as well as illegal betting equipment might be found in Dory Mapp's house. The police forcibly entered Mapp's house without a warrant. Search and seizure. Mapp demanded to see a search warrant, but the officers did not produce one. During their search, they found a trunk containing obscene materials. Mapp was arrested and convicted for possession of these materials under Ohio law. Appeal. Mapp argued that the evidence obtained during the search should not be admissible in court because it was obtained without a warrant, violating her Fourth Amendment rights. Arguments in the court case. Mapp's argument. Fourth Amendment violation. Mapp contended that her Fourth Amendment rights were violated because the search was conducted without a warrant, making the seizure of the materials unlawful. Exclusionary rule. She argued that the evidence obtained from the illegal search should be excluded from her trial, as allowing it would contravene the principles of the Fourth Amendment. State argument. State law compliance. The state of Ohio argued that even if the search was conducted without a warrant, the materials found were illegal, and thus the conviction should stand. Precedent cases. The state relied on Wolf v. Colorado, 1949, which ruled that the exclusionary rule did not apply to the states. Final outcome and legal justification. Outcome. Ruling. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Mapp, holding that the exclusionary rule is applicable to the states through the 14th Amendment. Decision. The decision was 6-3 in favor of Mapp. Legal justification. Exclusionary rule. The court emphasized that the exclusionary rule, which was established in Weeks v. United States, 1914, for federal cases, is essential to uphold the Fourth Amendment. This rule mandates that evidence obtained in violation of the Constitution cannot be used in a court of law. Incorporation doctrine. The court applied the exclusionary rule to the states through the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. This incorporation doctrine ensures that fundamental rights are uniformly protected across all states. Deterrence of illegal searches. By extending the exclusionary rule to the states, the court aimed to deter unlawful police conduct and reinforce the principle that the government must respect constitutional rights during criminal investigations. Key concept implications. Strengthening Fourth Amendment protections. Mapp v. Ohio significantly strengthened the Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures by ensuring that evidence obtained in violation of these rights cannot be used in state courts. Uniform application of constitutional rights. The decision reinforced the incorporation doctrine, ensuring that fundamental constitutional protections are applied uniformly across both federal and state levels. Impact on law enforcement. The ruling prompted changes in law enforcement procedures, requiring police officers to obtain proper warrants before conducting searches to ensure that any evidence obtained is admissible in court. Key lessons. Constitutional enforcement. The case highlights the importance of enforcing constitutional protections against unlawful searches and seizures, promoting fair legal processes. Judicial precedent. Demonstrates the Supreme Court's role in evolving the application of constitutional rights to adapt to contemporary issues and ensure justice. Legal deterrence. Emphasizes the role of the exclusionary rule in deterring illegal police conduct, thus safeguarding individual rights against state overreach.